Hi, I'm Shams Hashmi, the owner of BruBaabaa Cafe. Got into the cafe business was the upcoming fad with all coffee, people getting interested with coffee. The reason I chose La Marzocco was, well, when you get into the coffee business, you would like to drive a Rolls Royce. That is the Rolls Royce of the espresso machines, which is why we got into La Marzocco. My experience with Kaapi Machines has been excellent. Whatever problems I was facing, the questions that I had, what machine should I be getting into, what grinders I needed, what was the cafe profile that I should be getting into, all these problems were addressed by Kaapi Machines and the right solutions were offered to set the entire cafe up. Kaapi Machines has been fantastic, like a family affair. Whatever problems I have, they address it immediately, be it with the coffee, the grinds, or any kind of services. Into the cafe business is kind of risky because you have a lot of investments that are pumped in the initial phase. Outsourced to people who know that kind of work will get you halfway through the warfare. Well, anyone who wants to get into the specialty coffee business, I would suggest getting in touch with Kaapi Machines. I think I've been treated the best and you will be too.